Great question. And by you asking, it's going to help out tons of people that were too worried to ask or just ran to YouTube and typed it in. And of course, as you saw with the title, the question is, there's a bunch of different beard product types. When to start using all of them? I assume it's not just day one. Got you covered. We have 4 of the most important and common product types that we're going to talk about and kind of break it down into 2 phases. The necessities, in my opinion and experience, and then some added tools later in the journey that could really help you out. Welcome, you guys. My name is Dancy Bearded, and I have proudly collaborated with Deadman's Beard Co. to bring you some educational content featuring their products, their brand, their community. You can see that community thriving down in the comments. Thank you guys for allowing me to be here. If you like that and appreciate this free content, the beautiful vibes, and this amazing company, hit a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to their channel. It doesn't cost you anything and it does help them out. So let's talk about it. Day one. Now, all right, Dan, take a step back. What is day one when it comes to taking care of your beard? The day you get conscious about wanting to not stop shaving, but rather start growing a beard. There is a big difference. It's very easy to stop shaving. It takes a lot more thought and care to grow a beard, a purposeful beard. But Dan, my beard's gonna grow regardless. You're right. But how's it gonna look? How's it gonna smell? How's it gonna feel? Those 3 things are important to me, and I know to many of the audience that are watching right now. So, to begin, day one, whether you shaved this morning or you've been growing facial hair, either way, if you decide, you know what, I'm gonna start caring for my beard, we have 2 products that are the most important, and you should be using day one. Dan, I just told you I shaved this morning. Yes, they are amazing for the skin, but also for the facial hair. Start right away. That would be beard wash and beard oil. Beard wash and beard oil. I recommend washing your beard once a day. Deadman's has a beautiful, gentle daily beard wash that works perfectly. You can go unscented. You can go with some of their favorite scent options. One of my wife's favorite scents in the history of her life is Supernova. Fellas, I'm just going to put that out there. And then you're going to use beard oil. Now, the amount of beard oil is going to depend on a couple of different factors. General rule I recommend is 3 drops per inch of beard. So if you're just starting, it's just going to be a drop or 2. You put it in your hand and then massage into the skin. Let's say you have a 2-inch beard. We're going to get 6 drops in hand, massage into the skin, and then throughout the beard, right? Use that equation and then set your variables. If you have dry skin and live in a dry climate, you might use a little bit more. If you have naturally oily skin and you live in a humid climate, you might use a little bit less. You can only find out through trial and error, but that'll give you guys a really good start. How often? I recommend after every shower, but especially in the beginning, morning and night. If you only take 1 shower, use it after that shower, and then the other shower, get your skin and hair damp and apply that oil. So day one, every day from that point forward, beard wash and beard oil daily. Now, as the beard gets a little bit longer and you encounter some new problems like you wish it was softer, that it's a little bit too coarse and wiry, or you wish there weren't as many tangles and snags when you're combing a beard that's longer like mine. There is a pro kit, which includes 4 different products. They are like the essential ones for everything that we're talking about right now. If you have tangles, if you want it to be softer, now we're gonna start to introduce every single day beard butter. I recommend beard butter at night to go to bed with. So when you wake up and rinse your beard out, it's just smooth, easy, tangle-free, bringing you that deep nourishment. However, you can use it in the morning if you'd prefer. You can also use it morning and night. It's totally up to you. I just don't usually use butter in the morning. I'm an oil-only guy. But this is gonna soften your beard. It's gonna make it feel less wiry, less coarse. So good. Essentially, the big difference between the oil and the butter are these long-chain fatty acids. It's what makes it solid, but it also is deep nourishment for the hair. And then the last thing is your beard conditioner. So this is used in the shower and is a rinse out. I recommend every other day. That would be my recommendation. Some people don't use it or need it at all. Totally fine. It's not a necessity. Some people use it more frequently than every other day. to each their own. Start with every other day with this. And kind of the best rule is like, okay, Dan, I get that, but when to start? When your beard feels wiry and coarse, when you get tangles and snags, those are good, easy rules. But the easiest is when you can pinch and pull the hair. You can't pinch and pull stubble. That's very, very difficult. But if you can pinch and pull the hair with no problems, move it around, pull your skin out, not physically, you know what I mean. Pull your skin. If you're able to do that, you can start using conditioner and butter. So we got the day one homies over here with wash and oil. And then we got a little bit later down the road, the loyal ones. We have conditioner and butter. What else are you guys wondering? Deadman's offers a stripping wash. In a really dialed in beardsman, a person that wants to get the best, 1 day a week, set the daily gentle wash to the side and use the stripping wash. That's simple. Mustache wax can be used every day if you want to style your mustache. Let me know what other questions you guys have. I would be happy to address them, likely with a future video. These videos are going to come out once a week, and they're just for your education. My name is Dan C. Bearded. I appreciate you checking out this company's channel, their products. Wildly recommend them with a true passion of mine. Go check out their website and see what Deadman's Beard Co. could do for you.